Hey everyone, well, kind of excited here. I just got my budget version of a GoPro kind of preliminarily mounted up here. Boy, the handlebars turn into quite the wiring situation, right? But no, this is pretty cool. All the GoPro components will actually fit with these as far as your mounting brackets and everything else. This is a AKASO brand. It's definitely a budget brand, but it's actually really easy to use. I just put the I just got the 64 gigabyte SIM card to put inside of it, which I just got that put in today. And contrary to what some people said in the reviews about this, I can plug this directly into my computer and retrieve the actual video files without having to have a card reader or sync it to my phone via Wi-Fi and all this other just real headache kind of BS. My concern is, though, is going to be the microphone. I did buy the external microphone. Requires a micro USB, so my other microphone that has a USB-C will not work on this. And of course, it's another lav mic. Pretty good quality. They said it required a battery, but this mic has no battery on it whatsoever. And I looked at the head right here, took this off, checked it out. There's absolutely no opening compartment in there for a small battery. So we'll have to wait and see how the voice quality is after I test this out. The nice thing is, we have a really wide range as far as what this will capture. It also has stabilization and motion distortion prevention, which is exactly what you want when you are riding or doing any other type of activity. So we'll give it a shot and we'll see what happens.
Nice voice test for this new action camera, guys. I have to say that the video is awesome on this camera, but the audio, something to be desired. Freaking been attacked by a bee. Jesus. That's why I got the external mic with it, but come to find out the external mic is not very much better than the actual onboard mic on the unit itself. Granted, it is a budget, kind of a replica of a GoPro to a certain point. But I adjusted the lav mic that came with it. And of course, I hate having a cable run across me, across the frame of the bike coming up to me, but I have the lav mounted, pinched on literally about an inch away from my mouth. So we'll wait and see. This one here, I have the resolution set to 1080p, and we're at 60 FPS. There's a bunch of different settings I can experiment with, and I will. Get some pretty good recording time too. If you're on the highest setting, you can get up to an hour of record time, which is pretty damn good. But we'll wait and find out. Gonna go ahead and be doing another fishing trip tomorrow. Holy shit. Yeah. Some kind of an event going on, I guess. I don't know. All right. So go ahead and turn around here. This is only just a voice test anyway, so. Whoa. I almost wiped out there. Oh, shit. Gotta watch out for gravel. These bikes are heavy. You lose your center of gravity on these, you're going to go down a lot easier than you would on a normal bike. So just kind of a good safety tip there. Believe me, I've had a couple of close calls on the loose gravel on some of these roads. Yeah, pretty happy with the action camera. You know, heck, if anything, just for the video, because if you know what you're doing in your editing software, you can do a voiceover with very little time while you have your video in your editing software anyways. It's a little more technical, but not hard to figure out. Pretty good headwind here. I don't know how effective this mic will be against headwind. It does have a nice windshield on it, but we'll wait and see. So yeah, this camera, I'm at, as far as the field of view, 170 degree angle. So yeah, I'm really happy with the video quality of this little camera. It's about 1/3 the price of a GoPro. So yeah, definitely a budget action camera. And it does have a waterproof case you can put it in case you happen to find yourself underwater while you're riding your bikes. Never know. So, oop. Fire engine here. All right, guys. So that'll conclude this little voice test. Peace.